Hi guys! Welcome to CJ Vlogs. This is your host, this is Jay, and today ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano mag-SSS Calamity Loan program or yung CLAP. So this will be available on April 24, 2020 sa SSS website and My.SSS portal. So, kung nagpaplano kayo na mag-apply for a loan, ito, check nyo yung process na ipopost ko ngayon. So, don't forget to hit on subscribe and the notification bell para lagi tayo updated sa mga future video updates natin, okay? So, ito na. Okay, so ito na nga guys, isa-isahin natin ngayon yung mga dapat natin malaman about sa SSS Calamity Loan Assistance Program. Okay, so unang-una dyan is syempre yung contribution. So eligibility niya is must have at least 36 monthly contributions, 6 of which should be posted within the last 12 months prior to the month of application. So dapat may hulog kayong 6 months within 1 year. Then, dapat must be residents of the Philippines, one who has a home or work address in the Philippines. So, dapat syempre dito kayo nakatira or naka-address sa Pilipinas para ma-avail nyo yung Calamity Loan. And another thing, dapat must not have an outstanding loan restructuring program or Calamity Loan Assistance Program, meaning hindi kayo naka-condonation ng SSS. So, yun. Let's move on. Final benefits. So, must have not been granted any final benefit, total permanent disability, or retirement. So, this is one of the requirements. Kailangan wala ka yan. So, gaano katagal na babayaran? The loan shall be payable in 27 months, inclusive of the 3 months moratorium period. So, pag nakuha mo na siya after 3 months, saka ka pala magbabayad, or on the 4th month, to ka pala magbabayad ng loan. So, amortization, yung loan shall be starting on the 4th month following the date of approval of the loan. So, just like what I said, on the 4th month ka pa bago mabawasan or ma-deduct or ma-required na magbayad dun sa loan proceeds. Payment deadline shall be on or before the last day of the month following the applicable month. So, yun siya. How much ba yung service fee? So, according to this slide, service fee of 1% of loan amount is waived. So, hindi siya, you would not be required to pay this. So, no advance interest shall be charged for this loan. So, ayun, makukuha mo siya agad ng kompleto. So, unlike other loans, binabawasan siya. But for this one, it's complete. And then, yung loan shall be charged an interest rate of 10% per annum commencing on the 4th month, computed on a diminishing principal balance, and shall be amortized over the remaining 24 months. Loan amortization not remitted on a due date shall bear a penalty of 1% per month, and a delay of a fraction of a month shall be charged a full month penalty. So, marirequire kayo magbayad ng isang buong amount, isang buong buwan na nabayad for kapag na-late kayo ng pagbayad. And paano nga ba mag-apply? So, member must apply for the Calamity Loan Assistance Program through the SSS website or SSS mobile application by accessing his or her My.SSS account. So, critical dito yung meron na kayong account online. Kung wala pa, so meron akong video blog on how to create an account online. Pwede nyo check sa channel ko. I'll be posting it sa description para makita nyo rin right after this video. So, upon approval, loan proceeds will be credited through members enrolled bank account. Yung na-enroll nyo siya online. Madali lang siya actually. Tinuro ko to dun sa isa kong video. And kung hindi nyo siya alam kung paano gawin, ganito lang siya. So, mag-login kayo sa My.SSS account. Click lang yung bank enrollment sa ilalim ng e-services tab. Tapos, piliin mo lang sa listahan ng bangko na nais i-enroll at i-type ang inyong account number ng 2 beses. So, pagtapos na i-click ang box bilang pagsang-ayon sa data collection and usage clause. And i-click lang syempre yung enroll bank account. Pagtapos, okay. And then, check nyo na sa inyong email kung natanggap ang bank confirmation notice mula sa SSS. So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys. And kung may mga questions, eto, email lang sa member_relations@sss.gov.ph, or you can call the hotline number at 1455, or through their social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, PHLSSS or My.SSS. So, ayun, once again, natapos na naman ang isang video vlog. You're watching. Thank you for watching Jake CJ Vlogs, and chill. Bye.